So there's one more thing that is I want to add that many people use, I mean, few people use CNG vehicles, which is not much popular. So I have heard one of them asking my relatives, तो उसने कहा कि CNG is a good thing. So people are not aware of it, of its technology much. So also it's eco-friendly. It basically releases less green gases into the atmosphere, not that compared to diesel or kerosene or gasoline. In US it's called gasoline, but petrol actually. So there's one thing difference that I wanted to make. Basically these are greenhouse less emitting gases and eco-friendly, quite eco-friendly, environmental friendly. So CNG में difference क्या है? It evaporates faster than petrol, and same as with LPG also. LPG has more, little bit comparatively more energy. If you see, this is completely subject I'm talking, okay? So this difference mostly people don't know. So here's what. First, density. The more energy you have, carbons you have in diesel. So 1 liter diesel produces I think 1 liter, I guess. Yeah, 1 liter of diesel produces almost 2 kilos of carbon monoxide into the air, almost like 1.5 extra, like 500 grams extra carbon monoxide. So when basically it has a lot of energy, so more energy is there in diesel, so it evaporates very late. And then coming is kerosene. Kerosene is little faster compared to diesel, but it has kind of blended with aviation, sustainable aviation fuel, that's why it's used there. That's a different thing. Well, then comes petrol. Petrol evaporates faster, and more faster is the LPG, and more faster is CNG. Also, in CNG you don't have that fruitful horsepower produced compared to petrol or even diesel, obviously, because diesel has more power and lesser than compared to the next stage is petrol. In between is kerosene. So LPG has very less fuel, less power production. Mileage also reduced because it evaporates. And usse bhi battar hai CNG. I'm not saying that CNG is bad, but you have hybrid version, obviously, that is there, that is coming out to be 30 to 40 kilometers also in Swift, that we are seeing today. Good, not a problem. But for every CNG, you basically need to start with the petrol itself. Some CNG cars are starting directly. That's a different technology, startup one. So CNG में भी क्या है, आपको mileage थोड़ा कम पड़ेगी, और because it evaporates faster and you don't have that power, that acceleration उतना मज़ा नहीं आएगा जितना पेट्रोल में आएगा, चाहे वो LPG हो या CNG हो. So that's why CNG and LPGs are mostly used in a moderate acceleration like cabs, Uber, Rapido, or kind of things, Ola. Per performance vehicles में you don't expect that. It's not possible, and not even possible for having a turbo installed for it. That is completely bullshit, because you don't have that fruitful torque unless you need to add some extra technology, and completely a lot of subject is involved in it. But petrol, I mean, talking in perception of petrol and mileage, but in terms of environmental friendly, you need only LPG and CNG, like kind of things. So this may be informative, very informative to other people. So if you want to find economic and environmental friendly, then you should go for LPG and CNG, obviously. Otherwise, you want performance based and you want to feel that power, just don't care, go for petrol or diesel. It's choice. Still people choose diesel, turbo, or petrol, like me, enthusiasts.